In a quiet hospital room, a unique story began with the arrival of a baby unlike any other. This newborn wasn't just ordinary, he was extraordinary, captivating everyone who saw him with his sheer size and stunning, soulful eyes. His entrance into the world was a moment that reminded everyone of the miracle of life and the resilience of the human spirit. This baby was born to a mother with gestational diabetes, a condition that affects some women during pregnancy. Gestational diabetes often leads to complications, but this big, beautiful baby defied the odds. He was larger than most newborns, earning gasps of surprise and admiration from the medical staff. But his size wasn't the only thing that stood out, it was his eyes, deep, curious, and strikingly beautiful, that instantly captured hearts. Despite his remarkable appearance, this newborn faced a challenge early on. His blood sugar levels were low, a common issue for babies born to mothers with gestational diabetes. Low blood sugar in newborns, or neonatal hypoglycemia, can be a serious condition if not addressed quickly. It occurs because a baby's body produces extra insulin in response to the mother's high blood sugar levels during pregnancy. Once born, the baby's blood sugar can drop rapidly. The medical team immediately took action, ensuring the baby received the care he needed. Feeding him quickly helped stabilize his glucose levels, and the team closely monitored him to ensure his safety. His mother, though tired from labor, watched over him with pride and concern, marveling at the miracle she had brought into the world. This story isn't just about a baby or a medical condition, it's about resilience, hope, and the beauty of life. Gestational diabetes can be a daunting diagnosis for any mother, bringing worries about the baby's health. Yet this mother's journey, filled with challenges and uncertainties, led to a joyous outcome. Her baby boy, though born with a temporary struggle, is a testament to the strength of mothers and the power of modern medicine. Beyond his health, this baby's beautiful eyes remind us of something greater. In their depth and innocence lies a sense of wonder and possibility. They symbolize a fresh start, a new life full of potential and dreams waiting to unfold. As this big, beautiful baby grows, his story will continue to inspire those around him. His early challenges won't define him, instead, they'll be a part of his extraordinary beginning. For now, he's a reminder of the delicate balance of life, the strength of mothers, and the magic that every newborn brings into the world. This little miracle, with his captivating eyes and incredible size, reminds us all to pause and appreciate the beauty in life's simplest yet most profound moments.